While gathering firewood in the mountains, a woman heard faint rustling coming from a hollow tree and discovered a nest of abandoned chicks. The mother bird never returned. She took the little ones home and cared for them diligently. The chicks had voracious appetites and would eagerly beg for food whenever they heard her footsteps. Within just a few days, they sprouted black feathers and began to open their eyes, growing exceptionally attached to her. Despite her deep reluctance to part with them, she knew that the wild was their true home. Once their wings were fully developed, she reluctantly released them back into nature. A few days later, she spotted them near her home again. The birds seemed to remember her. She simply left out a bowl of fresh water and a little food, refraining from further interference so as not to disrupt their lives. She never did identify the exact species of the birds, but watching them regain their freedom and rejoin their flock turned all her hard work into a sense of fulfillment.